So wherever you're following this special live, I want to welcome all of you to this special documentary video on the presidential project One Child, One Chair. The purpose of this video is to encourage young people tomorrow, especially students that will be utilizing this chair, to tell them exactly how people sacrifice, to meet this chair. So quickly, I will talk to some of the workers and I will talk to them through their variety to do the particular project.
No, my motivation to do the particular project is one, I just want to get more experience on the job, and two, to be notified up there.
So that time is one of the senior students that will be graduating in a particular session. So what's the encouragement to students that will use the chair tomorrow?
No, my encouragement to students who will be using the chair tomorrow, there is a well-equipped project we are on now,
Yeah,
30-year guarantee.
yeah.
And I encourage you guys that sitting in the chair, you feel comfortable sitting in the chair.
Okay, so that is incredible. Just follow me. I will.
I'm Abraham F. Nyoko.
Oh, Abraham, nice to meet you. So what was your motivation in joining this presidential initiative?
Yeah, well, it's good because uh, we're not expecting this, but the president that brought the idea, is a good idea for each student to get one chair and one desk. It's a good idea. That will be the no sparring in class.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a good idea.
So what's your encouragement to students that will be utilizing the chair tomorrow? Maybe playing with it all kind of way, not even know what the process, the chair pass through, the sacrifice I made. What's your encouragement to them?
They advise, maybe the teacher or the principal might advise them that this is a good opportunity for them. For tomorrow, that if they using the chair, they must take time with it. That they will not be maybe some student they rough, they can get ticket and knock it and kind of with an iron,
Yeah,
but even iron can spoil.
yeah, it's true.
So if so advise to them that they must take care of it, that it lasts with them for the other future children that coming behind them.
That is incredible. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for sacrificing as well for the initiative. Okay, so they have the desk over there. So just there is, we Liberian, there are so many things that we can do. So this year you don't have to import it, right? We'll build everything here from scratch. Okay, so if you are thinking about, how we produce these things, and these are some of the things that have been are produced from other countries and later been imported in our nation. So we are at the Mobile Vocational Training Center, and all of these equipment, and these are some senior students we were talking with just now, not too long. So these are other works, and we will also show you exactly the chairs. So follow me now. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to show you the chair. So these are some of the chair here. Um, I mean, there is the decks, and you have the chair over there. So the desk and the chair. So the entire thing is metal, and then we have the wool for the particular session. So that is still in a production process. It have not been fully completed yet. Okay, so you still have to go through finishing and spraying. Okay, so let me show you this and they see how the entire frame is like. So let me talk to this student. What's your name?
My name is Moses Kokwe.
Okay. Moses Kokoe, seeing your handwork and seeing some of the incredible work that you have done here. What was your driving force in being part of the initiative?
It's a privilege for me to be part of history because this will become there in history for our people, Liberian people, and for our generation to come. They will come and see this. It's a privilege for me to be part of this project. I appreciate the government, by bringing this project up because as a student coming up, like we use some armchairs that could break and other things,
Yeah,
but this and steel and wood, it will last very long for our students to come. That generation going to use this and it will be remembered.
yeah.
This is one of the things that get me interested to be part of this history.
Yeah, so there is true impact, right? When someone says someone is making impact, there is impact. Okay, because students that are going to utilize their shares, you know, with uh with the process of learning something, without them sitting on the floor or sitting on rack, making it very uncomfortable for them. So that is an impact, and you are part of the history, and that is complete history we have been making. And these are still students. They are also part of the production project of the presidential project One Child One Chair, and that is how it has been from there. And this documentary video is there to just tell young people as to how the entire chair was made from right here in Liberia. You don't have to import anything, and these are some of the things people import because they don't know that we can do the same here as well. So, what's your encouragement out there to youngsters that will make use of this chair tomorrow?
Uh, First of all, I will start by saying to our young people out there who are interested in carpentry, I will encourage them that some of us, because we see our brothers, some of us in Azoko, there is a time that there is our new generation of Liberians. We should be more focused and interested in trade because time to come, it is this trade and things skills that will help Liberia to be developed. So if you out there, you have the mentality, you want Liberia to improve, you want Liberia to be developed, there is an opportunity for everyone of us as Liberian to be interested in trade to make an impact in Liberia.
Wow, that was incredible. Nice speaking to you. So, these are some of the chairs here, as you can see. So, now I'm about to talk to another person quickly. So, I would like for let me talk to him quickly. So, what's your name?
It's Ben Collis.
Yeah, and Ben Colley is one of the young person here, and seeing Ben Colley being part of this initiative, I think is a motivation for other young people. So, Ben Colley, you are the youngest person here.
Yes,
What actually brought you here?
because now my uncle brought me here, say I should kind of learn you.
Wow. And since then, since you have started, what are some of the things you have learned so far?
I not learn anything because I don't stay on here.
But you are grabbing some concept, right? Okay, so as you are aware, that is just a documentary video encouraging young people and telling them exactly how this entire year was processed and how we formulated this. I'm your humble servant Ibrahim Kobo. So if you are following this live, we want to encourage all of you to like, subscribe, and to this incredible YouTube channel. And I'm super excited to share this special documentary video and to tell you exactly what Liberians are capable of doing. That there are a lot of things, there are a lot of potential, there are a lot of opportunities. If we can give all the tools and the materials, there are so many innovative work we can be able to produce. So we are so glad to. I don't know if this man would like to talk to you guys. Sir, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Joseph Blaru.
Okay, Joseph, and seeing you as one of the elderly men here, what was your motivation? What actually helped move you to join this particular initiative?
This is why I'm so happy about the chair business. And now about politics.
Wow.
Some people, my people, they're all Nigeria. They're sitting on the floor, most of the school, and there's no chair.
Yes,
So I support, you say you make Waka, a program, the one student, one chair program. I support it. And besides the money that they will pay me.
yeah.
So I'm so happy. Maybe tomorrow, I myself will run for president for the country.
Wow.
So when somebody bring the opportunity for the people, we will support them. But the main one is that the youth, the government need to support the youth. Even the school in the street, let they take them from there, let they come to MVTC, let they go to school. It depends on the government opinion and when they want to go to school, where they do what they call, or I thank God for for MVTC teacher that teaching here. Also,
Okay, so thank I mean that is incredible. So what's your message out there? Because in the next 30 years from now, 40 years from now, students that will use this chair. I mean, what's your message out there to them that will be watching the video tomorrow?
do one.
Okay.
They need to take the chair
Okay.
and when I carry there because they say the government share so they will now there and so about the maintenance, I will take the chair in the school and the maintenance the government need to pay them good money.
Okay.
When in the school when government now care for those who teaching or in those who the worker the maintenance that means that will now go straight for the school.
So please help to maintain the chair. If you're a young person watching the video past the next 30 years from now, please take care of the chair so it can last the next 30 years. So your brothers and your sisters can be able to use the same chair. Make sure be calm, be positive, study your lesson, and also make sure you do the best because we are depending on you, and Liberia is depending on you, and so many people are depending on you. I'm your humble servant Abraham, and I'm super excited to share this. Until then, we see you again. Thank you. Bye bye.